There's a call from India.
My son, the matter is like this, that some legal formalities are still pending. And my son, for that, you'll have to come to India.
Uncle, here there is something to be attended. I will come as soon as I am done with that.
All right, son. Take care. See you back home.
Okay, bye.
Ishan, I'm so excited to see your house.
I can't even recognize this place now. I'm coming to India after 15 years, Kathy.
Really?
Well, can you see that hill? That one? From here to there, all the lands are ours. Once upon a time, all these were our farms. But after the death of my mom and dad, it's just been a wasteland. And there we are. Come on, Kathy, let's go. I will show you my house.
I'm so tired.
Really?
Wow. Lovely place.
Is that so? You liked it?
Yes. Such a beautiful palace you have.
I have spent here my entire childhood.
So
Oh
as I
my
told you,
God.
get all
It's
the
so
papers
beautiful.
ready. All right?
Yes,
and
it
I'll
is.
get back. Ishan,
Uncle!
what a pleasant surprise. Welcome, welcome home. So, how are you, my son?
I am fine, Uncle. What about you?
Ishan, I knew that you are going to come. But like this, suddenly, you should have given me a call. I would have come to the airport.
Didn't want to bother you, Uncle.
Come on, Ishan, there is no question of bothering me.
Uncle, this is my friend Kainath.
Hello, Uncle. How do you do?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
good.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Come on, son. Let's go inside.
Yes, Uncle.
But dear, this is not funny thing. You should have told me that you are coming today.
It's a surprise.
And Kathy is also coming with you. We would have at least got a chance to welcome you two.
Yes.
Gopal, bring luggage from outside.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
And yes, you were talking about buying a couple of football clubs. That's a great idea. Scopes are really great. If you invest
like
there,
Chote
I
Saab
think you
got
can,
married.
make really
Yes,
good
it
profit. And even I would like to. go along
Seriously,
with
I
you.
didn't have any idea.
Definitely, Uncle.
Ishan. Ishan. Oh,
I'm so happy.
even I'm happy.
Ishan,
Hi,
I'm
Sangvi.
so happy. When did you come? Didn't tell me even.
Right now.
Anyway, Kathy, meet my daughters. She is Shweta
Hi.
and she is Sangvi. Lovingly, we call her Sanu.
Hi.
Hey, dude, what's up? So, who's this gorgeous girl?
My love. Kathy. And pretty soon we are going to get married.
Ishan, you must be tired. Take some rest and we'll meet at dinner.
Okay, let's go. After you.
Wow. Ishan, it's your palace? So beautiful. Our bedroom?
Yeah. So,
Your room is so beautiful, isn't it?
not more than you.
Sir, where do I keep this luggage?
Keep the luggage there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Ishan, you know what? By seeing your room, I am feeling like I am in heaven.
Kathy, this palace of ours is for name only. Now it's a heritage property. We have come to India in order to save it.
Don't worry. You will win. Uncle Rajveer, it's such a beautiful place. Anyone can fall in love with it. I am thinking about staying here for whole my life.
It's all yours, dear. It's your place only.
Uncle,
Yes, tell me.
this time I have come to India for 10 to 12 days only. So, whatever palace related legal issues are there, please complete it.
Well, Ishan, I'll try my best. Had I known your arrival late earlier, I would have scheduled an appointment with the lawyer tomorrow itself.
No problem.
Kathy, could you please pass an apple to me?
Yeah, sure, uncle.
Thank you.
Welcome, uncle.
Anyway, tomorrow you roam around and show Kathy some sights also.
Yes.
And further, we'll start from day after tomorrow.
Okay. So, Sangvi, what's latest from you?
Not much. Just getting too bored in this big palace.
So, why can't you come with us for some days?
You never invited me. In fact, I was thinking about going to meet you. But
So, this time you are coming with us?
no, maybe some other time.
Well, Ishan, you never told us anything about Kathy.
Oh, yes, Kathy. Why don't you tell about yourself?
I'm a fashion designer. And Ishan, why don't you say?
And like me, Kathy don't have her parents. She's just a beautiful person. And I love her. And very soon we are going to get married.
Excuse me.
Sangvi, what kind of madness is this?
Papa, why you hide it from them? Why didn't you tell them?
Everything is happening in front of you. Why would I try to hide anything?
Papa, maybe you do not have anything left, but for me, nothing has ended yet.
You have to end it. And my dear, the truth is, he loves Kathy. And very soon they are going to get married.
I have grown up from my childhood to my youth just by looking at Ishan. I simply can't get this out of my heart. I will fight for my love. Because everything is fair in love and war. Every beginning has an end. And my love will be reaching its fulfillment. Must reach, Papa.
You can do whatever you want to do. But please do remember a piece of advice from me. You can never forcefully get hold of love and honor.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. Close the window. Please let me sleep.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, darling.
Ishan, let me sleep. Don't disturb.
Open your eyes, see the world.
Let me sleep.
When you sleep, you look so beautiful.
Are you buttering me?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Somebody tells you good morning with love.
not somebody. It's Sangvi. She says good morning to me like this since childhood.
Oh, I see. I am feeling something.
Jealous?
Yes. So today you'll be taking me to which places?
The whole estate.
Don't you think that full day will not be enough for that?
Maybe.
Good
see.
morning. Hi.
Hi, Sangvi.
Good morning. How are you? How's it going?
All right.
Are you guys going out somewhere? Where to?
To there where we used to play during our childhood.
Now we are no more kids, Ishan. We have grown up.
Let's go, dear. All the memories of childhood will freshen up.
In my heart, all the memories are still fresh, Ishan. But probably you have forgotten it. Anyways, you guys go ahead.
Done.
Darling, shall we move?
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye. Enjoy.
Ishan, you'll be taking me around the state today. And
Okay.
I will not return before night, okay? And Ishan, I want a complete date. Got it?
Oh, really?
Yeah, it should be a proper date. As in Germany, you never take me out. The date is due in India, babe. Romantic places, romantic country, romantic. Wow, what a beautiful place, babe.
Oh, really?
Lovely. Hey, what's there?
That's our boating club.
Wow.
I used to come here often.
It's like movies.
And can you see that tree? We have our tree house there too. Sangvi, Shweta and I made it during our childhood.
I love you, Ishan. I love you.
You are crazy.
I love you, Ishan.
You have gone crazy. Sit properly.
Great. What a beautiful weather. You know? I love you. Ishan, it's getting beyond my control. I want to pee, babe.
Wait, honey. We will be reaching home soon.
Ishan, stop.
All right.
God, it's so haunted. Ishan, it's so dark. I'm feeling so afraid here.
That's why I told you. Let's reach home. But you are in a hurry. So now get down.
Let's go.
You want me there too? Go. I will wait for you here.
How sick. Aren't you afraid?
Very much afraid. Come sit now.
How stupid.
Mad girl. Okay.
Come on, Ishan. Do it fast. It's pretty cold here.
Let me start it, honey. What happened? Come on, start up.
What happened?
Oh, damn. Probably it's not working.
Oh, fish.
I have to get down and check it.
Do it fast.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Okay.
What happened?
Let me check, darling. What the hell, man?
What happened?
Seems like the car has broken down.
Oh, shit. What will we do now? It's so dark out here. I'm so
I
scared.
have to do something.
I'm so scared. What will we do?
Don't worry, honey.
Huh? Oh, thank
Hey.
God. Excuse me? Our car has broken down. Can you give us a ride?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank God. Sit. You okay? Thank you very much, bro. Okay. Come on. Thank you so much, brother.
Hey, Kane. I'll make the coffee. Let's have it.
No thanks. Some other time.
As you
Okay.
wish.
Okay. Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, bro. Good night. Let's go.
Thank God Karan came on time. I'm still feeling scared.
Sanvi, you're aware, right? That Ishan and Kathy love each other so much. You're trying to come between them for no reason.
You know it very well. That Ishan is my love since childhood. I can't stay without him.
But I don't think that you will be able to get him.
Shweta, probably you don't know. But I can do anything to get Ishan. You know what I mean by anything? I can do anything. Someday, I will definitely get him.
Mr. Khanna, I personally want you to meet their CA
Okay.
before we take over.
In the evening?
Perfect.
7?
Exactly.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And I will not be in the city for 2 days. What you can do in the meantime is you can get the audit job also done.
Okay.
Put the papers on Ishan's table. He will also cross-check it.
All right,
So by
sir.
the time the
All right.
paper will be ready, he too will also
Okay,
cross-check.
sir.
Okay, Mr. Khanna, you may go now.
Okay, sir.
Ishan,
Okay, you can go. I will check
Okay.
it later. Yes, uncle?
actually, I'm not sure if you put the papers in ministry, the work will be done. Let's do like this. Let's go and meet him ourselves. Can we go tomorrow?
Okay, uncle. Let's meet him then.
So I'll take the appointment for tomorrow.
Sure.
Take care.
Yeah.
Ishan,
Hey, Kane. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am fine too. So how come you are here?
Well, I am staying in this hotel.
What are you saying? This hotel is mine.
Wow.
Okay, Kane. Tell me, when are you coming to our place?
I love giving surprises, Ishan. I can drop in your place anytime, like a surprise.
Ishan.
Yes?
I was thinking that I'll go straight to ministry from airport.
Okay.
So that by this evening, I can put the papers on ministry's table and it gets signed by tomorrow morning. And yes, Mr. Malik had invited too. Since I won't be there, so you can go to the hotel, relax for some time, and in the evening, we'll be going to Mr. Malik's place for
Okay.
dinner. And yes, we'll check out Mr. Saigal's project too. Okay.
Right. Baby, I'm going far for a day.
I'll miss you.
It's just a matter of one day. I love you.
I'll miss you, Dad. Come soon.
Oh, yes, babe. Okay. Take care. All right, bye. See ya.
Bye. Okay, Dad.
Okay,
See
let's
you
go.
soon then.
Bye, Kathy. Bye, my dear.
Okay, Dad. Take
Bye.
care. Bye.
Absolutely. So my son, have you checked the papers in detail?
Yes.
Sangvi, you frightened me.
Well, you really got frightened.
How come you're here?
You were alone. Ishan is also not here. I thought you must be getting bored, so thought about giving you company.
Oh, thanks, dear.
Why didn't you come with me? Come
Oh,
along. Come.
Who's there? Ishan? Who's there? Who's there? Who's there?
What happened, Kathy?
Why you shouted so loudly?
Sangvi, somebody was there.
Calm down, Kainath. Calm down. You must have got frightened due to the darkness.
No, I'm not joking. I heard some noise from there first, and I thought there is someone coming.
Just see. Nobody is there.
I can feel Sangvi. Someone's around here. Please believe me, Sangvi. Someone is here.
Kathy,
Ishan is also not here. That's why you're afraid. I was born here. Here, there is nothing like that. Go and take some rest.
Good morning.
Ishan, when did you come?
Kathy. Just now.
Ishan, I'm feeling quite strange here.
What do you mean?
I mean, every moment I'm feeling that somebody is watching me. Somebody is following me, Ishan.
Come on, Kathy. What kind of joke is this?
I am not joking, Ishan. I am feeling it myself.
Cool down. I can understand.
What do you mean?
Kathy, you can't stay even for a day without me. Do you understand its meaning? You are addicted. You have got addicted to me.
Really?
Ghanshyam, I have to see the other properties also and sort out the other matters as well. And I think
Hey, Kane.
Welcome to my place.
Hello. Today I thought about checking out your palace myself. Hi Kathy, how are you?
Hi, I'm
Well-
fine. How about you?
Thank you. By the way, these beautiful flowers for the beautiful lady.
Thank you so much.
Uncle, this is Kane.
hello, young man.
Hi,
How do you do?
I'm fine.
What do you do, Ken?
Well, nothing right now. Roaming around in search of someone. And it seems that I will find it.
All the best.
Thank
Uncle,
you.
he's the one who gave us the ride that night. If he was not there, I am not sure where we would have landed
In
up.
that case, son, we owe you a lot. After all, you helped our kids.
Pleasure.
Anyways, let me have the opportunity to introduce you to my two angels. Hey, Shweta, Sangvi. Shweta, this is Ken. Ken, she is
hi.
Shweta, the elder one.
Hi.
And she is Sangvi, the apple of my eyes.
Sir, lunch is ready.
Let's go. Let's have
Yeah.
lunch.
Gopal Kaka, please keep the
Man,
flowers.
I'm feeling very hungry, dear. What happened?
I think it's a case of mental disorder. Kathy, I want to ask you some questions. Please reply accurately to those questions. Honestly. I think that while you think, you go into your world of imagination, right? You often think about bad things, isn't it? You feel frightened within yourself?
I think you are right, doctor. I have also noticed some weird behaviors from Kathy.
This is the problem, Ishan. We have seen it very often among the mental patients that they go into their world of imagination and draw frightening images on the wall.
My God.
And it often seems that they think that these images are evil spirits. And the strangest thing is that they start getting afraid of these images.
Doctor, it's not the case of hallucination. I'm not mentally sick. This is a reality. I can hear someone whispering in my ears. I can feel someone touching me. I can feel them.
Kathy,
I can.
cool down.
I am not mentally sick.
Mr. Ishan, Kathy had transformed her world into imagination of reality. Just look at the dark circle under her eyes. This says that she didn't sleep for many days. She needs to take complete rest.
Uncle Rajveer, please make him understand. Doctor, this is the reality. I am not mentally sick.
Sangvi?
What are you thinking?
Nothing.
I know.
Aren't you thinking about Kathy?
Well, it's just like that.
I know, Ishan. You are thinking about Kainat only.
be someone here in this palace who is following me like a shadow. I feel it myself. Someone whispers my name into my ears, Ishan. I just can't understand, Ishan, what he wants from me.
Kathy, this is an imagination of your brain. Whatever I see with my own eyes, I only believe that.
Ishan, you can't even feel the suffering I'm going through. You don't know what I'm going through.
Kathy? Kathy?
Madam? Madam? Madam?
Kathy?
Yes, tell me, Mishra. What? Where? Okay, you stay there. I'm on my way.
Uncle, how this happened?
I don't know anything. When I saw it, immediately I called sir.
Son, you wait here. I'll check it out. Ishan, you go home with Kathy. I'll take care of this.
Okay.
You go. Mishra, call the commissioner.
Yes.
Madan's death, Kathy's current condition. Now all these are raising a question in my mind. Had someone really put an evil spell on this house? Something is there. That's why all these things are happening. I'm not able to understand anything.
Well, I don't know how to convince you all. You guys don't believe me. Somebody is here whom I can feel. But you guys cannot feel it. It's neither an animal nor a human being.
Hey Ishan, I think all of this is a cooked up story, man. Well, I can understand the situation Kathy is in. When a sensitive person sees blood, then he may faint there itself. And Kathy had seen that servant's dead body in a very bad shape. It may be a result of that only. By the way, I have to leave. Bye, uncle. Bye, Ishan.
Well, I can see truth in what Kathy is saying. These ghosts, monsters, spirits, you cannot just deny them all. What
Kathy?
happened?
Kathy?
Kathy, what happened? Kathy! Uncle, please look her. What happened, Kathy? Kathy! Kathy, what happened?
No need to get worried.
I see.
Due to that vomit, I think the blood pressure has gone higher. If things remain the same, please give me a call.
All right.
Kathy? 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 Kathy, what happened? Kathy? Kathy, what happened to you? Kathy? Kathy! 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 to you.
Sir? If you believe in God, then you have to believe in Saturn too. An evil spirit, very evil spirit, which is bothering Madam and is giving pain to Madam, sir.
So you want to tell that this house has become infested with ghosts, which is bothering only to Kathy? You are living in the 21st century. And if that is true, then why no one else has seen it? Why no one else has felt it? Uncle Shweta and Sangvi are living in this house for so many years. But no one bothered them till date.
Ishan, my son, I think there is some truth in what Gopal is saying. He must have...
Uncle, even you? Now I want to go back with Kathy.
You will not able to go, sir. That spirit will not allow you to take Madam away with you, sir. That spirit will kill Madam. Will kill Madam.
Shut up! I'm standing in between Kathy and that evil spirit. Before taking Kathy away, it has to kill me first.
Relax, Ishan, relax. Relax. Nothing will happen to Kathy. Nothing will happen.
Sir, there is only one person in this world who can save our Madam. He is Malang Baba.
This must be some unsatisfied soul who has become very dangerous.
But Baba, in your Tantric Vidya, there must be some remedies to it, right? There must be something.
Yes, that soul has taken this girl completely under its control. It has to be stopped, or else it'll be too late.
Do whatever you need to do, Baba. But please, save this girl from evil spirit. Yes. Yes.
Who are you?
Go away! You just go away!
I am asking, who are you?
Stop your tantra mantra crap! You can do nothing to me! Just go away! Go away!
Why have you come here?
Hey Tantric! If you want to stay alive, go away from here!
It's you who has to go. Leave this woman's body. Go right now, or else I'll burn you.
I have waited for so long! And now nobody can stop me from taking her away!
Sir, I am requesting again, sir. Please take Madam to Malang Baba, sir. Only he can save you from all these problems. Or else, there is no Baba in this world who can save our Madam, sir. Malang Baba?
The truth, there is none worthy of worship besides God. God is the greatest of all. The judgment day is about to come. Listen, death is coming forward with its jaws open. The dark spirit is on its way to achieve success in its motive. And if it becomes successful, then it will become a judgment day for Kathy. No one can save the girl from that dangerous spirit. No one can.
No one can save? What does that mean?
Baba, I will not tolerate that Kathy dies like this.
Oh, you ignorant. You can't do anything to that evil spirit. Yes, you do have courage and passion, due to which you can fight that evil spirit. Love has immense power. Do you want to know who that is who has ruined the peace of your life? Who is at your home right now? Who is in your life? Who is inside your wife's body?
Who's there, Malang Baba?
I still can't believe that. Cain can be like this.
I am confused, uncle. What the hell is happening?
Huh?
Huh?
Welcome, Ishan Singhania.
Who are you? Who the hell are you?
I am that person from whom you are trying to save Kathy in vain, my friend. Now no prayers, tantra mantra talisman will work anymore. And I will take away Kathy.
You can't do anything to Kathy as long as I'm here.
No one can save Kathy now. Kathy's soul is already mine. I will take her with me.
What do you want? What harm Kathy caused to you?
Since 1910, I was roaming around searching for Kathy. It's time now.
Cain! I will kill you, damn it! I can't believe this.
Son, I'm sure he has gone to Kathy. Come on, let's go.
Ishan, you here near me? Seriously, I can't believe it.
I know, Sangvi, that you love me very much. And I also love you so much. Sangvi, if you really want me in your life, then together we need to eliminate Kathy.
Ishan, in order to get you, I can do anything. Just anything.
Sangvi, I myself want to get rid of Kathy. As it is, she's dying. If you want to have me, then take the talisman off her neck and throw it away.
I love you so much, Ishan. I love you. I love you, Ishan. I love you so much.
Kane, you here?
Yes, Sangvi. It's me. Ishan is your beloved one, while I love Kathy. If you really want to get your love, you do exactly what I say.
Kathy. 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 Kathy, have the juice, please. Kathy, are you feeling okay? Take this. Have the juice.
What did you think? You will put the talisman on her neck and I will go away? You feeling the pain? You feeling the pain? Wait till the new moon. And then all your pain will be gone.
I will never ever let you succeed in your goal. Never.
Ishan. Ishan, please save me. Ishan, Ishan, I'm going through too much pain. Ishan, save me. Please. Ishan, save me.
Uncle, I'm not able to make out who has taken the talisman from Kathy's neck and why.
I am also asking myself the same question, that who has done it? What will he gain by doing this? I'm not able to understand anything, my son. My brain is gone numb. I have no idea who is casting an evil spell on this house.
Ishan, now you're finally mine. Now you're only mine. Only mine. Huh?
Sangvi, did you take the talisman away from Kathy's neck?
Why? Why will I do that? I have not taken out any talisman.
I'm asking you again, did you take the talisman away? I know that you want to kill Kathy. I am dying every day for Kathy. Just listen to me very clearly. I will never ever be yours.
Ishan, I have thrown that talisman away.
What?
Yes, I have thrown it away. Because I already know it, Ishan, that you will never be mine. And I simply can't see you dying day after day for Kathy. And the real name of Kane is Kane D'Souza. He was a forest officer.
Forest officer?
It seems like as if no one has come here since ages. It seems whoever lived here had a passion for painting. This looks like the picture of an Adivasi girl.
Adivasi? Uncle?
Yes.
Don't you think the person in the painting looks like Kathy?
What? Are you sure, Ishan? Kathy? And in a Adivasi style? This is a totally out of the mind thing, Ishan.
I am also not able to get it, uncle. Some secret must be there. Some relationship must be there. Between this place and Kane, between this painting and Kathy.
Ishan, there is an Adivasi village nearby. Why don't we go there and try to find something? Because this painting is of an Adivasi girl only. Brother, listen to me. Do you recognize this girl? Please have a look.
No, sorry. You take a look.
I don't know her, but you can ask them.
Okay, thank you.
Baba, do you recognize this girl? Do you recognize the girl in the picture?
Hey! Come here.
Sahib, my mother is not well. That's why I have to do the work.
What is your name?
Kusum.
Come here.
This is just like me.
Hmm.
Is this my picture, Saab ji?
Today is new moon day. Today the power of that evil will be at the highest. The darkness of the black sky will increase the power of the devil 100 times. Before it's midnight, you have to burn the skeleton of that evil spirit.
Malang Baba, how can we find that skeleton out?
These are 4 coins. They will help you reach your destination. Go, may the Almighty help you.
Sanvi, run! Shweta, rush! Shweta, let's go! Get out of here! Sanvi, come on! Shweta! Get out of here! Shweta! Come on, run! Shweta, run! Shweta, run! Sanvi, run! We will have to get out of here! Shweta, leave! Come on, let's go! Shweta!
Ishan, take out the corneas.
Yes, uncle.
Throw the second one.
Yes.
Now, Ishan, throw the fourth cornea, son. Throw it. Ishan, I think this is the place.
Yes, uncle. This is the place. Shall we go?
Yes. Fast. Ishan. Fast, Ishan. Hurry up.
Come on, uncle.
Daddy!
Shweta?
Ishan!
Shweta, are you okay?
Shweta?
Ishan!
Shweta? Shweta?
Shweta!
What happened, Shweta?
Daddy! Sanvi! Kathy killed her!
What happened to Sangvi?
Killed her,
What?
Daddy!
Killed her?
He killed her!
Killed her?
Sangvi?
She will not spare any of us, Daddy. Please, let's get out from here, please.
Let's go.
Ishan, Ishan, please save me. Ishan, come near me. Ishan. Ishan, no. Please, please don't go. Ishan. Please. Ishan, no. She will not spare you.
No, no, Ishan, no.
Ishan, come near me. Come, come.
Kathy!
You cannot stop me today.
Kathy! Kathy!
The prince will come and take the princess away.
Uncle! Shweta!
Daddy, I'm very afraid. Ishan.
Over there, uncle.
Okay, my son.
Where is it?
My son, it should be somewhere near around.
Ishan, just look. I'm seeing something over there, Ishan.
Where?
Over there.
Uncle.
Got it.
Yes.
Son, this can be the place.
Okay, uncle.
Knew it, I knew it. He won't come under your control. Be brave and face that evil. Almighty is with you. Your hunger to win will only save your love. This is the sacred sandal water from the shrine of Baba Pir. As soon as you sprinkle it on that evil's body, it will burn to ashes.
Kathy? 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 Get up, Kathy. Open your eyes, Kathy. 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 Open your eyes, Kathy. Please listen to me.